What's up, guys? It's V's Culture Shows, yeet. And today I am going to gotta flip a clip and draw some stuff because I'm bored. Okay, so as you know, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos if you like it, and comment down below if you like my video. I would really like to know. Okay, so if you didn't know, I got a new cat. Oh, not that one. Not that one. Not that one. Okay, anyways. No. Nothing. Anyways, as you see, I got a new cat. Her name's Annie Frank. She's black and white with a little caramel spot. Do you think how do you say caramel? I say it different ways. It's crazy. Anyways, yeah. So, which one should I name? This one. YouTube. Boop. And we're gonna go to frame 2. Create project. So what this one is going to be about is about my new cat. I'm gonna try drawing my new cat. And if you didn't know, if you always get cats, they would fight. If you already have one and you bring a new one, but if they're kittens, they would fight each other and like really fight. If you have an older cat, they would just hit each other and then leave. If you didn't know. Anyways, okay, let's work on my head. So there's that, and then we gotta bring out this snout a little. No, that's so bad. Okay, it's not. Okay. Oh my god. Brother. So we got the head part. Can make this now a little short. That's not how. Okay. What the heck? No. 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 Okay. No. Okay, so we gotta work on the nose, and their nose are like this. So it's like curved, and then that. Of course, she, if you didn't know, has partially black, like this. She's a very adorable cat. If you didn't know, she is so adorable. Okay, gotta make the mustache. If you know, she also has a little beard. She is a female, if you didn't know. Very cute one. So she has yellow eyes. She is very calm. Unless it comes to Kane trying to attack her, then no, she is not. Let's get the yellow. And now we're just gonna color this in, because cats have big eyes. Thanks for the news. Of course, this is so bad. I will not be surprised if you do not like this video. Anyways, yeah, she basically looks like that, but more black and stuff. Yeah, I cannot draw cats. Let's just say I cannot draw animals, but I'm trying. Anyways, I made lots of other stuff. This one I'm actually working on. No one likes you. So this one I am working on, as you see. See, Cots Enjoy. And I need to finish coloring it. Cots, yeah, so it's the end. As you see, if you go like this, it'll be cool. Until then, if you stop on one, it'll be like this. If you stop right here, it says enjoy. Anyways, I'm going to end the video here, guys. So I know it wasn't that interesting, but I wouldn't be surprised. Well, anyways, subscribe, like my video, comment down below which one, if you think I'm good at drawing, and yeah. Okay. See ya, guys. Bye.